Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we bid farewell to Umkhokha the Curse. Yes, Umkhokha the Curse has ended, and it ended very, 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 very sad for me, right? This is the highlight of what happened on the last episode of Umkhokha the Curse, which played 2 years on our TV screens. Number one, I did not expect to go to uManzimande uzophuma abambane noMamZobe ngezandla. I honestly did not expect seeing uManzimande holding uMamZobe's hand and saying ukuthi let bygones be bygones. Right? What happened ukuthi uMamZobe uthusiwe uManzimande athi you need to drink this poison or you need to go out and get mob justice services nje that we know ukuthi you won't survive, or alternatively we are going to bury you alive. So you have to choose which one are you going to take, which battle do you think you can stomach. And then Ugol took what uManzimande had and drank it and said, this is how you want to eliminate me, this is so cruel. And after she drank it, uManzimande explained ukuthi I am not you, I'm not going to take your life. I just wanted to see ukuthi kahle kahle kuhamba kanjani. However, I have forgiven you. This is what my husband would have done, so I am going to do the same. I'm going to get with you out of this room, holding your hand, showing to the masses ukuthi we have made peace. And in Vele, they did that, and they had their last supper. Yakamthembu nabantu bakamthembu nabantu bakaGumede, which was heartwarming and close, because also they had some confessions that they had, which was heartwarming. Kukhalwa kunjani. And then I was like, no, people can forgive, right? Sharp. Then it came kuze iphathi Sibusiso. uSibusiso wayolobola kahle. Umsebenzi wakaSibusiso wamalobolo went very well. The negotiations were smooth because uSibusiso knew exactly what he wanted. So when they were done paying the lobola money, remember, when you are done paying the lobola money and the letter is signed, you are as good as married. So the lobola money was paid, and then lekwalo la magadi le sainilwe, dilo tso di le ditlhakane, imali se ibekiwe phansi as a symbol of saying we accept this union, we accept this relationship, lobhlobo lobo sibakhayo siyabuvuma. While the gentlemen were shaking Sibusiso's hand in agreement to say congratulations and wavoga-ke, uNdlovu woke up, guys. uNdlovu was able to stand up from the wheelchair. uNdlovu was like, hello, this is me, I'm back with a bang, and I'm not allowing this. Wazikhulumela. While he was saying ukuthi my daughter will not be married to such a guy, the daughter was like, unfortunately for you, you are too late. Everything has been paid. Everything has been sealed. I am going to get married to this guy. Guys, I'm not happy with the ending of Umkhokha the Curse. I really grew attached to this soapy telenovela series, drama, whatever you might call it. Like, really, I was so attached to it. Unfortunately, all good things come to an end. So now, officially, Usibahle Mrs. Sibusiso Maphalala. Right. And then another thing that broke my heart was when uMamZobe was now relieved. Ugirl was back home and she was thanking God, thanking uMthembu, thanking her ancestors, and anything that she could give thanks to, she gave thanks to whatever, right? And while she was giving thanks, as she was sitting on the bed, her dad, her late father, appeared behind her and reminded her, Uguti, remember when you went to look at the tree, there were 5 ropes. Unfortunately, one of the ropes was for you. So you need to do what needs to be done. This Umkhokha will not end if you are still alive. Guys, you have no idea how devastated I was. I thought for a moment there that uMamZobe was dreaming, as she always does. Kanti ugirl is not dreaming. Girl is not dreaming. Umzobe was there, and Umzobe wanted things to happen the way Umzobe wanted them to. Remember, Umzobe only took his life because Mamzobe took his squamas, the squamas that were supposed to be pure and for ancestors, and she used them for evil, which led to her father taking his own life because then he had disappointed the ancestors, right? So Umamzobe had to do what Mamzobe had to do. Unfortunately, it ended bad for Uphagatwayo. Yo, when Uphagatwayo saw the whole thing, Ugai was really defeated. Yo, guys, I wanted to cry in Uphagatwayo. Like, yo, I had to watch it again so that I can understand. It's too emotional for me. Like, yo, the ending, Wakalu Pagatwai. I was like, when is Pagatwai going to have a break? Like, this man deserves a break. He can't be losing every family member just like that. No, I think Uguti going to the army, Nobuntu was the best decision she could have ever taken for herself because Ugo was able to survive, right? Okay, sharp. Now, remember there were 5 ropes, okay? The one rope went to Olile, the other rope went to Mabusi's mother, which is Uzodwa. The other rope went to Umzobe himself, right? And then the other rope went to Umamzobe. Now, meaning there was still one rope left. That one rope that was left took Mabusi's life. Yo, guys. Yo, I was so torn. Like, yo, even now, emotional sengathi manje labantu laba bamampela like ekarasa story wathlalwa ekare ke bophelo ba nnete. It for me it does not look like a storyline, like a telenovela. It's like vele real people in the whole thing, even though I know that it's not real people, but yeah, it hit hard. Then Umabusi did the unthinkable. But remember, when Umabusi decided to pursue this whole thing and find isidumbu sikaMzobe so that bazokwazi ukusibaqabula, Umzobe did come to him and in her dreams to say, don't do it. Don't do it. Hayi, ngabona uSiphamandla sekakhala wathi ngazenza ngashada kaMzobe because bheka manje umkhokha uyangilandela. So now, when the series ended, when the telenovela ended, when the drama ended, it ended. I hope it's gonna come back one day. It ended up with Uvulindlela being the owner now of Ikwama. So the traditional bags were left with Uvulindlela. So kusho ukuthi Uvulindlela uyemele ahambise isikhwama phambili umntana abantu azoba yinyanga ngenkani by fire by force. So is it fair for Uvulindlela? I don't know. But I hope now that because Umabusi is no more, Umamzobe is no more, Uxolile is no more, Umzobe is no more, Uzodwa is no more, and all the ropes are completed, that Umkhokha has really ended. But question is, should they bring Umkhokha next round? How will they conclude it? Whose life will be sacrificed? Whose family will be the one in this party yomkhokha? I think it will be Batuwan ifamily Gamsuthu, right? Because Ugabsile will be the only living person that took whose life is this? That took Umthembu's life. Remember, and no one paid for taking Mthembu's life. So I think in an event where they do a spin-off or they decide to feel sorry for us and say, hayi thathani siyanibona ukuthi senikhala kakhulu niyawuthanda umkhokha nithanda izinto, here's a spin-off. The spin-off would be Gabisile and her children feeling the wrath of Umkhokha, and Gabisile having to then now be the one drinking the poisoned water to balance the scale of unaliving their god. I don't know. Am I reaching? Bazalan? I'm not reaching. But yeah, let us see how or when they will do the spin-off, hoping that they do the spin-off. But if they decide to do the spin-off, Mabusi did nothing wrong. The only thing she wanted was Umkhokha to end. But on the story, how it ended, it looked like girl is not coming back. However, if you had noticed when it was concluding, they only closed Ubuso Mzobe while Uzamqolo was still praying for Impilo Mabusi. I don't know. I'm just hoping somebody will start a petition and they will bring Umkhokha the spin-off. So yeah, that's what I thought about Umkhokha the Curse. I am not happy. I am going to see what is going to be in the position of Umkhokha the Curse today at 8 o'clock, and I will definitely update you if it's a storyline that we might love to engage in. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Adisebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.